I am indeed honored this evening to be here with you all and wish to express my sincere appreciation to the Fiji Correction Service for the invitation to officiate as chief guest tonight. It is said that art stimulates an individual's emotions, thoughts, beliefs, and ideas through senses, which can be clearly made or interpreted on the basis of image or objects being portrayed by the artist or perceived by the reader. Today's art exhibition is called Vunilagi, and this is rather fitting as it is synonymous to Christmas. The art pieces and crafts on display tonight portrays and reflect the spirit of Christmas and will hopefully offer those of us present tonight great gift ideas or collector's piece for personal mementos. Tonight, I must first salute the artists for their creativity and vision in having the pieces fulfill the intended outcomes. Their talents and skills that are on display tonight tell a story that they wish for us to appreciate and acknowledge. I am well aware that it is not easy to prepare and successfully put out to the public an art exhibition as such. I am certain a lot of work has been done to have this dream realized. I am looking forward, like everyone present here tonight, to view the art pieces and crafts on display tonight. A proud and commendable rehabilitation platform for potential artists, craftsmen and designers under the care of the Fiji Correction Service. At this juncture, I wish to commend the former Commissioner of Corrections, Major General Yowane Naiwolurua, for his foresight and commitment to the cause of rehabilitation for inmates and their successful reintegration back into society, which saw the birth of the Yellow Ribbon Initiative and the establishment of the Tangimodi Art Gallery in 2008. Secondly, the Sow the Seed program, which is a mentoring program developed by Fiji Corrections for volunteers who wish to offer their time, resources, and expertise in developing mentoring services and restoring lives of young inmates at the Nasinu Correction Center. The third rehabilitation milestone is the Montfort Boys Town Partnership, where young inmates from Nasinu are given the opportunity to undertake vocational studies. Fourth, but not the last, is the Nasinu Vocational Training School, which is located within the Nasinu Correction Center itself, which was launched in 2018 and certified under the Fiji Higher Education Commission. These are merely 4 of the many rehabilitation initiatives and programs currently in operation. I commend the work being carried out by the Fiji Correction Service rehabilitation programs and initiatives that are centered in the Yellow Ribbon Project of giving a second chance. I am a strong believer that work of rehabilitation must be of a whole nation effort, and I wish to acknowledge Commander King and his team, as well as former Commissioner, for leading such a commendable and worthy cause. To all of us present tonight, thank you for your continued support and to ensure that the beacon of hope on the Yellow Ribbon Project, giving a second chance, is encouraged and stays ignited. With those few words, it is my absolute honor to declare the Vunilagi Art Exhibition now open. I also take this time on behalf of the First Lady and our family to wish you and your family a Merry Christmas and a blessed New Year.
Thank you, Your Excellency, for those wonderful words.